Alternative crypto assets crash to 2025 lows as meme coins shed $5 billion and NFTs down 43%. Meme coins, NFT. The $5 billion loss was largely driven by the collapse of celebrity and political meme coins, while the 43% drop in NFTs to post-April lows signifies the final capitulation of the luxury digital collectible narrative. Journalist, Hassan Shittu. Journalist, Hassan Shittu. About author, Hassan, a cryptonews.com journalist with 6+ years of experience in Web3 journalism, brings deep knowledge across crypto, Web3 gaming, NFTs, and play-to-earn sectors. His work has appeared in Author Profile, Share, Copied, last updated, November 21, 2025. Alternative crypto markets faced one of their sharpest downturns of the year on Friday as meme coins and NFTs collectively erased billions in value, extending a multi-week decline across the broader digital asset sector. According to data from CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko, speculative assets have fallen to their lowest valuations of 2025, tracking heavy losses in Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other major cryptocurrencies. Meme coin market crashes 66% from January peak amid broad crypto sell-off. The meme coin sector was among the hardest hit. Market capitalization for the category plunged to $39.4 billion, down from $44 billion the previous day, wiping out nearly $4.6 billion in 24 hours despite a 40% increase in trading volume. The sell-off deepens a drawdown that began after the sector peaked at $116.7 billion on January 5. Friday's valuation now reflects a 66.2% decline from that high. Across major tokens, losses were widespread. Dogecoin traded at $0.1426, with hourly gains failing to offset a 4.21% daily decline and a 12.88% weekly slide. Shiba Inu followed a similar pattern at $0.0000057987, down 14.04% on the week. Pepe, Bonk, and Floki all posted steeper weekly declines of more than 17%, while Dogwifat saw one of the deepest drops, at 21.13%, over the 7-day period. Trading activity, however, remained concentrated in the largest assets, with Dogecoin recording nearly $3.95 billion in 24-hour volume compared to the single-digit millions seen across smaller tokens. Only a handful of assets showed pockets of resilience. The official Trump token rose across hourly and daily timeframes but still ended the week down 13.53%, while SPX 6900 remained the only major meme coin to end the week in positive territory, up 14.04% despite short-term losses. Broader market weakness added to the pressure. The total crypto market capitalization fell to $2.99 trillion, a 2.2% drop from the prior day and down from $3.77 trillion on November 1st, erasing roughly $800 billion in just 3 weeks. Bitcoin traded at $85,023, down nearly 15% on the week but down sharply from recent highs, while Ethereum hovered around $2,785, mirroring Bitcoin's weekly losses but reflecting the broader volatility in large-cap assets. Solana and BNB also posted double-digit weekly losses, though neither reversed the month's downward momentum. Global NFT market cap drops 43% in a month, hitting $2.78 billion low. The NFT market continued to slide in parallel with meme coins. CoinGecko data shows that the global NFT market cap dropped to $2.78 billion on Friday, a 43% decline from its $4.9 billion level 30 days earlier. This marks the lowest NFT market valuation since April and places digital collectibles down more than 80% from their early 2022 peak near $17 billion. Long-term charts indicate that the NFT market is entering a prolonged correction. After surging to multi-billion-dollar heights during the 2021 boom, the sector has spent most of 2023 to 2025 in a tightening range, with intermittent rallies failing to sustain momentum. Recent volume remains thin, with $3.99 million traded globally in 24 hours, showing reduced liquidity across chains. Most leading collections posted deep monthly losses. Hyperliquid's Hyper NFTs fell 41.1% over 30 days, Moonbirds dropped 32.7%, and CryptoPunks sank 27.1%, despite remaining the highest-valued collection with a floor of 29.89 ETH. Pudgy Penguins declined 26.6%, though they retained gains over the past year. Only two collections bucked the trend. Infinex Patrons, up 11.3%, and Autoglyphs, which held nearly flat. Chain-level activity reflected similar trends. Ethereum continued to dominate NFT trade volume, accounting for 62.4% of the week's $38.5 million in transactions, while Hyper-EVM, Base, and Solana followed at lower levels. Monthly user activity was strongest on Base, which recorded 253,000 active traders, far surpassing Ethereum and Solana. Amid the collapse, marketplaces are adjusting. OpenSea, once the leader of the NFT boom, has rebranded into a multi-chain crypto trading aggregator after volumes across the sector dropped by more than 90% from 2021 levels. The platform processed $1.6 billion in crypto trades and $230 million in NFT transactions in the first half of October, its strongest month in more than 3 years, as it expands into broader asset trading. Follow us on Google News. Trending news. Recommended popular crypto topics. Price predictions. Bitcoin price crash. Sailor's strategy is in big trouble. Crypto market prospect. After the washout, the soil looks richer. Live Fed Payments Innovation Conference. Real-time updates as Federal Reserve discusses crypto, stablecoins, and AI with industry leaders. XRP price prediction. Brutal sell-off pushes XRP toward total collapse. Is a bear market officially starting? Bitcoin price prediction. Billionaire crypto investor warns this is the last chance to buy BTC under $90,000. What does he know? Price analysis. XRP price prediction. Millions vanish from XRP funds. Are institutions quietly dumping before a bigger crash? 3 days ago, by Alejandro Arich. Bitcoin news. Why is crypto down today? November 21, 2025. 13 hours ago, by Seed Fatal Pazik. Price analysis. XRP price prediction. 42% of holders are losing money. How low can XRP fall? 2 days ago, by Alejandro Arich. Best crypto to buy now in November 2025. Top crypto to invest in. 3 days ago, by Alan Draper. New cryptocurrencies to invest in today. Top new crypto coins. 3 days ago, by Inesis Tavares. Best crypto presales to invest in November 2025. 1 day ago, by Alan Draper. 13 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in November 2025. 3 days ago, by Elijah Rankovich. 12 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. 3 days ago, by Elijah Rankovich. The next crypto to explode in 2025. Our top picks. 1 day ago, by Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. 4 days ago, by Leon Waters. XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. August 29, 2025, by Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. November 4, 2025, by Ben Beto.